Hi everyone, welcome back to another house tour. Hope you all are doing well. In my today's video, I'll be sharing with you all an affordable 3-bedroom property. This is Warwick from Redrow Homes. So stay tuned and watch this video till the end. It could be useful to you. This is located at Wales and the development site is called as the Redrow Millstone. Now going with the floor plans, in the ground floor you have the lounge, kitchen with dining and a washroom. On the first floor you have 3 bedrooms with the master bedroom having the ensuite facilities and a common family bathroom. There's also a garage coming with this property. Now as you enter the house, you'll find a lengthy hall in front of you with various partitions made towards your living, upstairs and also the kitchen and dining. So first, let's explore the living room. A very spacious and comfortable living room for a 3-bedroom property. As you can see, towards the front end you're getting a nice wide and big window, so plenty of natural light falling in the room and the ventilation is really good. You can easily plan 2 to 3 sofa sets and also a TV set, and still there's plenty of room space to walk around. Overall, a decent living room with good space. Now let's check out other rooms of the property. So just as you come out of this living room, you can walk towards the kitchen with dining, which are coming behind. So this is the kitchen with dining space. It looks okay. Towards one side you're getting the kitchen and towards the other side you can plan a nice comfortable dining table. You also have the garden access to these wide French doors given. Now exploring the kitchen area, you'll be getting this wide gas hob, exhaust and also the worktop. All these cupboards at the bottom and even on the top fitted in. Also this integrated fridge, freezer and the utensils stand also is included. There's a window coming towards the front end, so plenty of natural light falling towards the kitchen side. And for a 3-bedroom property, again this space is really good enough. Normally you don't get to see this extended dining space and also this wide French door access in a regular 3-bedroom property. It will be comparatively smaller, but here you're getting this extra space, which I really liked about. Also you'll be getting a fenced garden behind with a comfortable space. And towards the corner of this dining space, they actually planned another small room with a door and lock. And you can plan your washing machine and dryer inside this room. This was all about the kitchen and dining space. Now just as you come out of this kitchen, towards your left side you'll find another small storage space. And just before going upstairs, let's check out the washroom here in the ground floor. So this will be coming towards the right side as you enter the house. It's a small washroom with decent space. You have the water closet, sink, and there's also a window towards the front end. This is all about the ground floor. Now let's move to the first floor and check out the rooms there. On the first floor we have 3 bedrooms with the master bedroom having the ensuite facilities and a common family bathroom. So first, checking out the master bedroom of the house. So this is the master bedroom of the house. It's a double bedroom and as you can see a double cot fits in and you have really good room space to walk around. Towards one side you're getting nice wide windows, so plenty of natural light falling in the room. Again, towards the front end, you have really good space wherein you can plan your wider wardrobes. And towards the opposite side, they actually gave the ensuite. You can enjoy the front visuals of the house from these windows here. Now let's check out the ensuite. The space looks quite okay. It's given in length. Towards one side they actually planned the water closet, and towards the opposite side you're getting the walk-in shower. Now just beside this ensuite, you're getting another inbuilt cupboard. The space looks quite okay. You can hang a lot of stuff inside this cupboard. So this was all about the master bedroom of the house. Just as you come out of this master bedroom, towards the other side you'll find the family bathroom. Again, this is a decent bathroom with good space. Towards one side you have the tub, water closet, and also the sink is given. There's a nice window coming towards the front end, so plenty of natural light falling in the bathroom. This is again a fully tiled bathroom. Now just beside this family bathroom, there's another small storage space wherein the boiler is kept. This has got the door and lock again. Now let's check out the second bedroom of the house. This is again a double bedroom. A double cot fits in and you have good space to walk around. Towards one side you're getting a nice wide window, so plenty of natural light falling in the room. The overall space of the room looks okay, and towards the front end they actually planned the wardrobes. And if you can see, the cupboards have gone inside the wall, so it's not taking that extra room space. Overall, a decent second bedroom. Now let's check out the third bedroom of the house. So this is a third bedroom. It's the smallest bedroom in the property. This can be used as a kids room, computer room, storeroom, anything you want to. Still, you're getting a nice window towards one side, so the ventilation is very good even in this room. We covered all the rooms in this property. As I told you in the beginning, there's also a garage coming with this property. I hope you liked watching my today's video. Do give me your suggestions and feedback in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. Also, if you're watching my channel for the first time and if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button and feel free to activate the bell icon at the bottom so that you won't miss out on my future uploads. Stay safe, stay connected. See you in another vlog.